You can quickly become happier and remain happy the rest of your life when you follow the 7 steps taught in the Happiness Generator virtual half-day workshop facilitated by Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach. Based on Marci Shimoff's New York Times best-selling book, Happy for No Reason, 7 Steps to Being Happy from the Inside Out. In this dynamic session, you will learn how to quickly raise your physical, emotional, and mental energy and habits that support the biochemistry of happiness. Discover a natural state of peace and joy, no matter what is going on in your life. Enhance all your relationships. As we all learned in the Secret movie and book, one of the fastest ways to bring anything into your life is to be and feel happy. During the Happiness Generator, we show you how. This live online workshop is practical, experiential, transformational, and dynamic. You will also receive a handout with copies of the slides, so you can review them at your leisure after the live event. Check the link in the description or comments for further details and to book your place. Think about it. When you're inherently unhappy, life is much harder. Tasks seem to take longer. It is more of a struggle to get out of bed and make it through the day. In extreme cases, people will often self-medicate, put themselves in risky situations to stimulate the thrill of an adrenaline rush or take more drastic action. Join us to remind yourself how to generate greater happiness naturally from the inside out. Here's to our greater peace of mind and happiness.